Hi, today I am teaching you cheese balls. How to make cheese balls. For that, ingredients are 1 small onion cut into fine pieces, carrots, cauliflower and beans I've cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of rice powder, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, and salt as per your taste, little haldi powder and oregano and amchur little and chili flakes and coriander, and as per your spicy taste you can add chilies also. I've taken 3 boiled potatoes and grated them, and here's half katori of cheese which I will mix in potatoes. Mix all this. This until it becomes like a dough. Put 1 teaspoon of oil and then mix it. If you find this sticky, add 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Take 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour, add salt to it and add water and make a thin slurry. So we can dip cheese cutlets in this and then coat it with breadcrumbs. Make rounds and then make it alright from all the side and put in this cheese cubes. Whatever shape you want, you can make into that. Then dip it into this slurry. And then into this breadcrumbs. Keep it in a box or in a plate. And then I'll show you how to fry also. I'll show you on another one how to make this. I'm making one as round and I'm putting it in the slurry. I'll show you how to fry also. I've taken cheese slice and I'm putting it into this. You can put any cheese you want and then close it this way. You can grate your cheese also and put it. Ready to eat. You only have to fry them, and out of 3 potatoes I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cutlets, cheese balls. Close the box and keep it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Heat oil on medium flame and then put one in the oil. And then don't touch immediately. Only when it is done from one side, you turn it around with a spoon. Turn it with a spoon. And fry till it is brown on both the sides. Once it is brown from both the sides, remove it on a tawa because tawa soaks oil in it. Ready to eat cheese cutlets.